babire bari aha mukoro gwo kushabira beji benakinana na mushanju abariyo nibaza kushitamira ebigezo byabwe byakamaririze bya UBTEB esabite rukwija ahitendekere rya Kitagata Farm Institute erukushanga omugomborra ya Kasana omur district ya Shema.
The future is in your hands, not anybody's hands, because your motto is clear, and even the training you have had is very okay. So the future, choose what you want to be. The future is in your hands.
You must be observant. You must add value to your community. You must even have positive attitude towards your courses.
Oyebembire mu kushabira bejaba oru West Ankole Diocesan Secretary Venerable Reverend Joseph Mweyunje arabwira beji okurekeraho okwegita omuza groupe zitarukubayamba.
In this era, many people no longer want to see the truth, no longer want to speak the truth. Ekikuire ne bachebembeza, ekishire bachirabata, bachinagenyuma. Hallelujah. Tino mutoru kubasagambira abantu mutanywa maru abana amanyamuntu baza kumugenda ogo kunywa maru batishire.
You are here as students, and the role of us as board management is to help you move through these 2 years and then you move ahead. We don't want you to keep here. 2 years, get out. 2 years, get out, and others get in.
Immaculate cyo kwijuka orukuri itendekero rya Kitagata Farm Institute atongwize hebiragire bisya nko muringo gumwe ogwo kushomesa beji ogubesere we walk the talk and we learn by doing.
Our institute is to have the best demonstration farm in Africa by 2040. We have done all assessments and we have concluded that this is possible because the potential is here.
Aha mukoro nugwe gumwe omweshongozo ranganwa Regan Muhirwe ningasho Roy G ahabwira beji okukume byo bahangwa. Amakuru agagasha kwa Michael atwachire.